Welcome back. Now, the concept of a guest book has primarily been replaced by blog commenting. However, there are some cases where you may have a site and you're not using WordPress or a blog, and you still want to give people the opportunity to talk back to you or to leave indication that they have something to say. If that's the case, then the guest book is still a viable concept. So in Fantastico, we can build out your site or build out a subdirectory of your site with a guest book. And you'll notice that there are 8 different applications. We are going to look at the very first one, which is the Advanced Guestbook. Now in this case, we're going to click Install a new copy, and we're going to choose a directory. We'll then write in our username and password, and then we'll click Submit. We'll then verify our credentials and click Proceed. Then Fantastico will start the install process. Now there is a front end to the guest book as well as the admin area, so you'll want to bookmark all of these links and copy down this information. Then you'll want to log in. And the admin area, which is fairly simple, you are now given access. Now in terms of configuration, there are pages, Support, and Home with more information that will show you how to use Advanced Guestbook. In fact, the support area is a forum where other users get together to discuss Advanced Guestbook and other related programs. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.